Good day, children. Welcome to my class, Standard 8th Science, Chapter 1 Crop Production and Management. It introduces the fundamental principles of crop production and management, which covers how we produce food on a large scale. We should be aware of the crop production and its management. So, through this lesson, we will get good idea about it. It includes basic agricultural practices, types of crops, and the methods used to ensure food security. Point wise, we will see. First, agricultural practices. To grow crops successfully, farmers follow a series of systematic steps over time. First, preparation of soil. They have to prepare the soil. Tilling and plowing loosen the soil, allowing roots to breathe and penetrate deeper. The loosened soil helps growth of earthworms and microbes present in the soil. Second is sowing, selecting healthy high quality seeds and planting them at the proper depth and distance. Adding manure and fertilizers. These are the following steps. Enriching the soil with lost nutrients to support healthy plant growth. Irrigation, supplying water to the crops at regular intervals. Weeding. What is weeding? Unwanted plants. Removing unwanted plants, weeds that compete with crops for water and nutrients. Now comes harvesting. Cutting and gathering mature crop. Storage. How to store. Protecting grains from moisture, pests and microorganisms. I hope the first point is clear. Now we are moving to the second point. Types of crops. In India, crops are broadly classified based on the season in which they are grown. First one is Kharif crops. Grown during the rainy season, June to September. Example, paddy, maize, soya bean and cotton. Kharif is clear, June to September. Grown during the rainy season. And the examples are paddy, maize, soya bean and cotton. Next we have Rabi crops. Grown during the winter season, October to March, and the examples are wheat, gram and mustard. So both the types are clear to you? Okay. Now third point is food from animals. Along with agriculture, chapter 1 touches on animal husbandry. This practice involves rearing, feeding and caring of animals on a large scale to provide food products like milk, eggs and meat. Food is obtained from animals for which animals are reared. This is called animal husbandry. Now next we see agricultural implements. The main tools used to break soil clumps are plow, hoe and cultivator. Soil clumps. Plow. Hindi we call hal. This is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals such as horses or camels. It contains a strong triangular iron strip called plow share. The main part of the plow is a long log of wood which is called a plow shaft. There is a handle at one end of the shaft. The other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. One pair of bull and a man can easily operate the plow. Refer to figure 1.1a of your textbook and you will get some idea. Second one is hoe, H-O-E. Simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad, and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is pulled by animals. Figure 1.1b. Third implement is cultivator. Nowadays, ploughing is done by tractor driven. Cultivator use of cultivator saves labor and time. Figure 1.1c. Traditional tool. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel. Figure 1.2a. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. You can see the figure, you will get complete idea about it. Seed drill. The seed drill, figure 1.2b, is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This sows the seeds uniformly, matlab equal distance and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This protects the seeds from being eaten by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. Appropriate distance between the seed is necessary to avoid overcrowding of plants. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients, and water from the soil. I hope you are understanding. Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crop plants. Continuous cultivation of crops make the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called manuring. Manure is an organic substance obtained from decomposition of plant or animal waste. Farmers dump plant and animal waste in pits at open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganism. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. You must have heard about the fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemicals which are rich in particular nutrients. They are produced in factories. And the names you must have heard: urea, ammonium sulfate, NPK. NPK stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Use of fertilizers have helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy and maize. Okay. The use of manure. Why do we use the manure? It improves soil texture as well as its water retaining capacity. It replenishes the soil with nutrients. Clear? Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. This can be done by growing different crops alternatively. Rhizobium bacteria. These are present in the nodules of roots of leguminous plants. They fix atmospheric nitrogen. Very important. We have to see the difference between fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer, first point. It is man-made inorganic salt. It is a natural substance obtained by decomposition of cattle dung and plant residue. It is prepared in factories. It is prepared in fields. So please learn by heart the difference between fertilizers and manure. It does not provide any humus to the soil. It provides a lot of humus to the soil. They are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. They are less rich in plant nutrients. Now, let us see the advantages of manure. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which the exchange of gases becomes easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. Thank you everyone. We will meet in the next video for the remaining part of the lesson. Okay. So please read again.